Hi, it's Lorraine here at the Detox World Healing and Training Center, and I made it to Sydney, and I'm just waiting for my last flight to Coffs Harbour, and my luggage stayed in LA. It didn't get on the Sydney flight. So I'm here with no luggage, and you can see I have got two, not one, black eyes. Because I was reaching for something a day ago and above the fridge, and everything came tumbling down, hit me right here. I got a nice bruise here, and I'm black in both eyes. So this is how I'm arriving here in Australia. No luggage, two black eyes. How do you like me now? We'll talk soon. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I know I am.